In this video, we'll show you how to replace the liftgate support on your Ford Edge. This is located in the rear of the vehicle and attached to the rear door. Let's get started. There's a small clip on the back of the strut. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to pop this off. Now before we pop this off of the liftgate, it's important to have the liftgate supported. I'm just using a pull jack. Now we have the same type of clip down at the bottom. Let's start to work that out. And we can remove the strut. Our lift support already comes with the clips installed. So we can simply press this on, get it on down bottom, then we'll line it up top, and press that on, make sure it's secured. Go ahead and test out the function of the liftgate support. Be sure that they're working properly. If they are, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.